Warranty is a key and critical offering on equipment purchases here at Johnson Controls. Whether it's standard warranty or extended warranty, it's expected from our customers. Through feedback from our customers as well as our business partners, one of the core issues our customers are facing is centered around an outdated warranty and claim management system. So in 2019 and 2020, we decided to tackle this problem in collaboration with our Infosys SAP delivery team.
The existing warranty and claim processes lacked flexibility, leading to non-harmonized business processes and high requirement of manual intervention. These processes were leading to multiple issues like non-responsiveness across devices, time-consuming and difficult navigation, zero visibility of multiple equipment at single sites, lack of data accuracy, and real-time reporting. The maintenance costs were extremely high, estimated to be around $2.1 million with limited enhancements possible.
Having identified the problem, we set to find the best solution to design a new generation integrated global warranty platform with a detailed roadmap and timeline for the execution. Overall, with a strong technology solution, safe agile delivery methodology, and clear alignment on the roadmap and expectations, the project was set into execution.
The project was enabled with the safe agile approach, which allowed for maintaining a macro view, while weekly reviews ensured continuous alignment between business and development. To perfect the user experience, the team worked regularly with external customers.
This was a key program at Johnson Controls to replace a 20-year-old legacy system with state-of-the-art S/4HANA platform. The objective was to have a scalable system that provided seamless and unified digital experience for all their customers across all their interactions.
We set out to create an end-to-end integrated warranty process using the latest technologies. The legacy applications were retired while we created a centralized warranty base with data standardization and simplification.
A pilot release of the new SAP S/4 Global Warranty Platform solution was launched on January 27th with one of our largest multi-state customers, and a big bang launch across all U.S. ducted systems, distributors, dealers, and branches on March 23rd by Johnson Controls in collaboration with the Infosys SAP delivery team. This covered hundreds of accounts and thousands of end users that are registering products, checking product coverage, submitting claims, and buying extended warranty contracts.
The Global Warranty Solution now serves as a key pillar for us to execute our SAP Intelligent Enterprise strategy. The solution supports backward integration of equipment and finished products warranty claims with supplier RMA, factory quality metrics, and more. The new solution has already provided multiple benefits to end users and Johnson Controls, with many medium and long-term benefits expected.
Working with Infosys, we were able to build and launch a new warranty system in 11 months. The system replaced a 20-plus-year-old system that had its issues and lots of data to migrate. As a result of this system, we improved processes, added functionality, which in the end saves us and our customers time. Thank you, Infosys, as I never imagined building a better system in 11 months.